How's it? I'm Kev. Here's the two capsules from the Nakagin Capsule Tower I made last time, sitting on a new layout base. I've shaped the base into platforms using layers of foam, and I've smoothed it out with a plaster coat. Now to paint it and add the track. Here's a great photo showing the installation of capsules around the central reinforced concrete core. Each capsule is made from a steel frame, which is clad in steel exterior panels. On my layout, each capsule will sit on concrete block piers. So here's the layout so far. Capsule platforms, a low vegetable field, a high bamboo grove, the track, and a connecting pathway. This railroad's going place.